Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've enjoyed my content so far, please subscribe to my channel and give this video and all the other videos a thumbs up. Let's jump right into it. So what you see here is not homemade pizza, but it is tortilla pizza. How do you find it? Yeah, pizza made from tortilla. I will explain what happens to the back of this pizza. And we also have our tortilla wraps. Let's jump right into it. So I already have my ingredients chopped. Let's go ahead and make the sauce. Let's call this Aioli Sauce. I saw this sauce recipe online and decided to give it a try. So we have our mayo. For this sauce we need mayo, mayonnaise, some chopped garlic, a pinch of salt, and I added some black pepper. So that's the garlic already chopped. You add that to your mayo. Some black pepper, you should try this sauce at home. You can use it for your sandwiches. Very tasty. Now let's make our scrambled eggs. So I used 2 eggs for this. For the tortilla wraps, this will be used for the tortilla wraps. So to this I added some oregano and black pepper. And a pinch of salt. The pan, into the pan it goes. Scramble away. So for all the ingredients, well, the stir fries, I used butter to do the stir frying. So butter gives it an extra taste. So I didn't use any other oil but butter. It adds on a unique taste, or it gives the recipe more flavor. So let's stir fry our luncheon meat. And we go into the chicken breast. I had already spiced the chicken breast. The spicing of the chicken breast, I used all-purpose adobo, some kivo pepper powder, ready-made spice. I got this from the market. So we have all our ingredients ready. So now let's go ahead with our tortilla wraps. I don't know about you, but I don't like my tortilla wraps being white. I don't know, I just feel like it looks uncooked. So I like to fry it up a bit to make it a bit brown. So this is a wheat tortilla wrap. For some reason, I decided to put my sauce, the aioli sauce, in the pan. I wonder why though. This really bent me when I had to take it. You don't have to do it in the pan on the fire. Once you brown it or you fry it a bit, you can take it out of the pan and do the filling on a plate or your chopping board. That's fine. So I layer this with my scrambled eggs, chicken breast, chicken luncheon meat. To this I add the vegetables. So I have my chopped carrots, cucumber, and some lettuce. And some pear. So this filling is totally up to you. You can decide to put anything you want in your tortilla. These are my favorite veggies. I wasn't being generous with the sauce. All in the bit to reduce my mayo intake. Now flipping was a problem. It was hot. Look, don't be deceived. This really bent me. I had to take it easy and toughen up to make sure I get the best of this. Eventually, I just love how it looks. Brown enough for me. Okay. But this was really hot. This was really hot. Anyway, so there you have your first tortilla wrap. Let me know in the comment section if you give this a try and how it went. So we're going to try another way of filling our tortilla wraps. So to this, I add my sauce. For some reason, oh my goodness, I was so clumsy in this video. Do pardon me. Oh. Then I added my lettuce. And the other veggies. Make this as fun as she wants. This can be a nice snack. My kids enjoy these things. You should try it at home. You should really give this a try. Look at me, I forgot the cheese. I remember that I hadn't added the cheese. Thank God for YouTube. So I learned how to do this folding also on YouTube, and I'm here to also teach you. Yep. Yeah. My folding looked bad, but hey. I have to start from somewhere. Clumsy me. Then I tossed it into the pan to fry it up a bit. This is totally up to you. You're not obliged to do this. Like I said, I don't like my tortilla looking all white. I like it a bit brown on the edges. Okay, so our second wrap is ready. Now let's go and make our tortilla pizza, my favorite part. So I already had my pizza sauce made. I will do another video of how I made this pizza sauce. So my egg went straight into the pan. Same spice, oregano, black pepper, and my vegetables. Then I add the first tortilla. Then you flip. Oh, flipping gone bad. The flipping wasn't flipping, basically. Then I add the next tortilla. This will form the base of the tortilla pizza. Cover it for some few, maybe about a minute or two, just to cook the egg. Then I added my sauce. So I decided to get strips of mozzarella cheese. Put some on the base. So ideally, this should have been done in the oven. I was just feeling too lazy to put this in the oven, and I've always wanted to try this frying pan method of making pizza. So I decided to put this in the pan instead of the oven. So now I start putting on my protein. So there goes the luncheon meat, chicken breast. Let's add some more chicken. I mean, why not? Then our veggies, green pepper, so whilst doing this, you should be doing this on low heat in order for the crust not to burn. Remember I mentioned I would explain to you. Today was just a bad working day. Look, I was doing this on medium to high because I just wanted my cheese to melt quickly. I don't know what I was thinking about, but ideally this should be on low to medium heat. If you want to do the pan method, that is low to medium heat. So I layered it again with more cheese, hoping it would melt into it, but I didn't get it as I wanted. Then I sprinkled some oregano on it. Now if you're doing this on low heat, then leave it in the pan, cover it up till the cheese melts into this. Now it wasn't working for me, so I just tossed it into the oven and I got it to somewhat melt. But by then remember I said it was on medium to high, so my crust was already beginning to burn, so I didn't have the patience to wait for the cheese to melt into it the way I wanted. So once I tossed it into the oven and I got this, then I decided to take it out. But hey, it still didn't come out badly. So our tortilla pizza is ready. Ideally I could have kept it in the oven, but my crust was burning. Ooh. Look at my crust. But I enjoy. Look, I like my crust like this. A bit brown, not too bent though. Yum yum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.